Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Proverbs 61. The proverb today is experience is the best teacher. Okay, let's take a look at the note. The earliest known use of this proverb actually comes from the Roman leader Julius Caesar. And it was originally worded as experience is the teacher of all things. From De Bello Civilli circa 52 BC. So it goes all the way back to BC. This was, I think, from one of his speeches he gave. All right, let's continue. This proverb means most wisdom is acquired by experiencing things, especially compared to learning in school or from books. So real life experiences usually outdoes or trumps or is better than what you can learn in school or from books. All right, let's continue. There is much truth to this proverb. Real life experience will often make a deeper impression on someone and they are less likely to forget. Okay, so let's look at a couple of examples that help to explain this as well. Number one, when a student first graduates from university, his GPA, remember GPA is grade point average, and the reputation of the school he went to are very important because he probably doesn't have much work experience yet. But after a few years, if he applies for another job, his work experience becomes more important. Yeah, they don't really care so much anymore what your GPA is. They want to know what you did in the real working world. And more important because many companies know experience is the best teacher. Yeah, so once they realize experience is the best teacher, this becomes more important. Your school and your GPA kind of fall in the background now. Okay, let's look at number two. There was a 1991 movie called The Doctor, and the main character was played by the actor John Hurt. The story comes from a book loosely based on the real life of Dr. Rosenbaum's experience with cancer. So he was a real doctor. And I remember in the movie, he wasn't really a very nice doctor, and he didn't really have a lot of sympathy for his patients. But once he got sick himself, and he experienced cancer, and he went to the same doctors he knew that were his friends, and he realized how terrible the patients are treated. So let's continue here. The name of the book was aptly named A Taste of My Own Medicine. Yeah, when sometimes if you get a taste of your own medicine, you get treated the way somebody kind of treated you. And especially when somebody treated somebody bad and that happens to them, we often say they got a taste of their own medicine. Okay. After he experienced how terrible he was treated as a patient, he made interns, those people studying to be doctors, go through a training program to pretend to be patients in order to learn sympathy for patients. He had realized experience is the best teacher. Okay, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.